Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use this tool. So this tool is very nice and very cool. It works very good. I never had any issues, not like the nail guns or anything like that. This, you just put it and it works. And the thing with this is for electric work, so if you have to put the wires, you know, in place and you don't want to use this one that you see here or these ones, you know, manually, and you don't want to start hammering, this works amazingly. So now I'm going to show you how to use it, and I'll give you later, I'll show you later, so that way you know how it works. So basically, if you want to remove the battery, all you have to do is push this button here with Dewalt. Here you have the button to push and see if the battery is fully charged or not. Here you have the clip for the belt, so that way you can have it with you all the time. And here we have the trigger. So the trigger, there is no safety or anything like that. The safety is here. So basically I'll show you here. So once you push this against the wall, and besides pushing this against the wall, you will have the wire that will be in the middle, basically. So that way this will go all together. So if the wire is too slim and you push it like that, and this is no, it doesn't go in all the way, it will not shoot any staples. So that is something to keep in mind. Usually for Romex it works great, and if you have maybe coax or something else for wood, that will be great. So basically, if you want to recharge the staples, all you have to do is push the button like this, and this will come loose. So again, as you can see here, you pull or you push the button, and then here you have the staples here. So these are the staples that you will see. So basically they have the plastic, so that way it will protect the wire. And here we have for instance, these are the regular ones that you can buy, you know, maybe in any hardware store. As usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, or anything, just let me know. I can ship it to you worldwide. And here, for instance, with this, the bad thing with this is you have to, you know, hammer this one, the other one, and it takes, you know, a few minutes to nail it down. With this, same thing. So maybe instead of hammering one nail and then the other one, you just hit it in the middle, and that's it. The problem with this, again, it will take, you know, more time. With this, the good thing about this is you just push and then press, and that's it. Of course, don't do that if you have the battery and it's fully charged. That's it. So if you, in order to recharge it, just put it like that. Put the other one, usually the big one, first, and the little one later. The only downside about this tool is the capacity. You cannot have too much capacity with this, but other than that, I mean, it looks amazing and it works very good. So something that I like about this type of staples, you know, the plastic one instead of the metal ones, is that with this it's going to be like very hard to damage the cable, because, you know, it has a small hole, a small gap between the staple and the cable, so it will be less likely that you're going to damage it. So that is one of the advantages against the other one, with the one that are completely metal. The disadvantage of this is it's going to take you longer, you know, to nail it, because you have to nail one side and then the other side. You can try to maybe do both at the same time, but you may bend it. And the main thing is make sure that you pull from one end from the other, and it's not going to move. So you don't have to over tight it. If you do that, you're going to damage the sheathing of the wire, and then you're going to have a short. So that is why it's better avoid doing that. Otherwise, you can use the Dewalt gun that I just told you, and you're never going to have that issue. You're going to have the perfect adjustment of tightness of the staple, and everything will be good. Otherwise, if you use the metal one, it's cheaper. You don't have to buy anything, but make sure that you don't over tight it. Otherwise, it's going to spark. All right, so in this case, as you can see, It's very easy when you're using a Romex cable. You can use even one line of Romex or 2 lines, and it will work just fine without damaging the cable. And here is what happened if you heat it too much, and then you're going to damage the sheathing. Then you're going to have some sparks. So I'll give you some examples. But if you heat it, make sure that you don't heat it that much, so that way you don't have issues. Also, make sure that it is tight enough so that way the wire will not move. But that's it. If you tight it too much, again, you're going to damage it. And now I'm going to show you so that way you see what happened when you tight it too much. So here we have the spark, as you can see, when you are having those uncontrollable moments.